Hello everyone! Welcome to htvron트. Let me show you something. Look at this one. This one. And this one. Don't you think these hats are beautiful? Guess these hats are from overseas. Or I buy them from the market? Neither. The truth is, all of those products are made in-house with my hat press machine and heat transfer vinyl that is weeded, layered, and heated all by hand. Include hats with different patterns and different colors. Want to learn more about how to make it? Let's try to make a homemade hat together. Okay. Firstly, you need to use a cutting machine to cut your design. Make sure the pattern size can be pressed on your hat. Then weeding. Avoid tearing vigorously to prevent damage to the pattern. Be slow and careful. You can try tearing it from different directions. It would be easier. Weeding becomes much easier with the use of a weeding tool. Welcome to the hot pressing stage. In very easy 4 steps, you can get a perfect hat. Step 1. Find an idle hat. Then put the hat on top of the hat pressing lid and ironing mat. Your hat may have some wrinkles. Iron the wrinkles flat so that the pattern will adhere better. Step 2. Pull the hat flat and stick the HTV on the hat with high temperature tape to prevent the hat from wrinkling. Step 3. Press the power button and apply the machine. Press the hat heat press on the ironing mat with sufficient force. Step 4. Wait for the temperature to cool down. Tear off gently. Okay. If you only have 1 layer pattern, your hat is finished. But if you have many layers pattern, just repeat the above steps for different layers. After all layers are pressed, you've got a perfect hat for sale, and a handful of my other products such as t-shirts and keychains are all made by hand too. So, do you want to try your hand at making these handicrafts to sell? Keep following htvron트 channel. Learn more DIY knowledge.